All right, we're back. Eureka Math Squared. I'm Mr. Short. Your name is here with your class number. So I'm Mr. Short. Your name is here. This is second grade module 4, lesson 14. We're on pages 67, and that's it. There is nothing back here. That should make everybody feel like this guy right here. Right? Really happy. All right, back over here. All right. Today, we're going to use compensation to subtract, draw a tape diagram if needed. Okay, so compensation is something you've heard me reference before or talk about before called the constant difference. We're going to show you what that is now. So we're going to use the constant difference. We have 282 minus 139. Well, if we set this up the old person way, standard algorithm, I cannot subtract 9 from 2. If I have 2, I can't take 9 out of there. So what we're going to do is we can make this a 0 by adding how much? If we add 1 to 139, we get what? Well, we get 140. They want you to do this down. This confuses me. Well, we have 1 plus 139. So it's 140. If you give it to 139, you have to also give it to 282. So 1 plus 282 right there, you get 283. So we see they have that here, but let's look at it now when we line it up on top of each other. The standard algorithm works great sometimes. So now look at, because we did this, we have 3 minus 0 is 3. Over here we had 2 minus 9, which you can't do. All right, let's see the next one. We have 8 minus 4. Well, that's going to be what? 4. And we have 2 minus 1, which is going to be what? 1. So we got 143 here. Okay, let's do it the old way over here. So we have 2 minus 9. We can't do this. So we're going to go next door and borrow 10 more. So that's now a 12. But we took 10, so now we only have 7 left there. So 12 minus 9, 9. To get to 12, we need 3. 7 minus 3. What's 7 minus 3? 4. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Got 143 here. Oh, look, we got 143 here. When you do the plus 1 here to get to the next 0 here, and we see our numbers are smaller, it makes the subtracting a lot easier. We don't have to keep borrowing and crossing out. We're not going to forget as much stuff. So our answer there, 143. I'll help with the next one. This one you're on your own. Okay? This one you're on your own. All right. So on this one, we have 586 minus 358. How can we make this a nice, easy number? What's the next 0 we can get to here? Getting bigger. We have to add how much? We have to add 2. If I add 2 here, 8 plus 2, so I have 158, 159, I'm sorry, 358 plus 2, 358, 359, 360, because this would go 0, this would go 1. Okay, if I do it there, I have to do it here also. So 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 0 is 8, 5 plus nothing is 5. So let's line those up now. So it shows they want our new number. So we have 588 and 360. So if we go 588 minus 360, look how nice and neat this is now. 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 5 minus 3 is 2. 2, 2, 8. Nice and easy. Did you say something after that, like lemon squeezy or easy peasy? Sometimes I just want to see if I can feel you saying it, even though I can't hear you. I feel like I did on that one. All right, the next one. Look at this when you line up right now. If we go 839 minus 490. Well, yes, we already have a 0 here, so that's nice, but this is not nice, right? So let's take this number and make it bigger. I'm going to give you a hint. That's all I'm going to do. If you do it here, remember you have to do it here. That's the hint you need to solve this. If you do it here, make sure you do it here. All right, that's it for me on this one. That's all you're getting out of me today. You're not getting any more. I feel like we've set you up for success on this between your teacher, you going the extra mile and finding this online. I feel like you're going to do a great job with this. All right, remember, think I'm doing a great job, hit the subscribe button. Help me out. All right, I'm Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared. second grade, module 4, lesson 14. And as always, have a good night.